Hey, it's me, it's She, and today ako lang ulit. Ako lang. So, if you don't know me, I am She. Originally, I'm with, Lai, my cousin, but since nag-start na po siya sa work niya and, very busy, ba't ba nagiging baliktad, no? Very busy siya sa work niya since ang kanyang work po ay education. She is a teacher, professional teacher. Si Ma'am Lai. Shout out to you, Lai. Pinabayaan mo. Joke lang. Very busy pa siya. So, ako lang muna for the past few months, hindi months, almost a year, I've been doing solo reactions and I think pagtutuloy-tuloy pa siya hanggat wala pang vacancy live. And don't worry, maghahanap tayo ng mga guests natin. May mga kinontrata na ako actually, but wala pa kami nakikitang time together ng vacancy. So, I will be updating you guys if hindi ko i-update pala. Isusurprise ko na lang kayo if may guest tayo today. Ganon. But today, ako lang muna. Guest niyo muna ako in my own, here, Liz. My collection. Anyway, ako muna kasama nyo. And if you want to know me more, I think, kailangan nyo lang naman mag-subscribe. Kailangan nyo lang po tawag doon, scroll sa ating channel. Tingnan nyo if may magustuhan kayong playlist or mga reaction video namin. We definitely reacted to a few artists, K-pop, P-pop. I think I did a Japanese, pero hindi ko sure kung na-upload ko siya kasi nga ang lala ng copywriting ng Japan. And binablock niya all over the world dahil lagi yung video ko. Wala pa naman akong kinikita sa YouTube kasi nga may mga copyright. So, hindi siya na-monetize. So, please help me na lang na ma-subscribe. And I think for the future activity or event din sa account na to, magka-transition din tayo for vlogging. Since I'm planning to do a vlogs, try ko din umattend talaga hindi lahat. I mean, some concerts na ma-attendan natin. Baka naman. Kasi hirap pa tayo financially, actually. But then, yeah. Anyway, we have for today this group called Lingshot. Sana tama yung pronounce ko. Pero parang, sa bagay, nandito naman pala. Based sa title, KJ Park to, since alam naman natin, or alam ko na merong company si J Park. But, nakita ko yung, tawag dito, nakita ko yung clip na itong video na to sa TikTok. And, meron na rin ako napahinggan ng Very Light sa YouTube music ko. Nung song ng Lingshot, but then tinigil ko nga kasi I want to react to their songs with you. Ayan, so technically wala pa akong alam sa kanila, as in yun lang yung alam ko, like galing sila sa binuo. I don't know nga kung sila yung pinakaunong group ng ni J Park pero I must say super talented nila. I love it. I love their voices. Since napakinggan ko na ibang clip. Pero hindi ko tinapos. So, help me watch it together. I mean, let's watch it together. So, anyway, ang tagal ko na mag-intro. Let's start with the title of Das J Park's new group, Lingshot. Know the lyrics to Nothing on You. Get on the mic pala to, be. Kapakahaba mo ng title mo, yun pa yung napili mo. Anyway, let's start. Wait up. Okay.
Nothing on you, baby. They must say hi, and they must
Wait, I think Full video na ba to?
Long shot for show.
Oh yeah, I think full video naman. Pero bakit 13 minutes lang? True ba? Switch ko while watching. Today I'll be singing random P-pop. P-pop
저는 일단
song.
프리스타일로 라인을
저도.
새로 짤 거예요.
Ang pogi naman nila. Alam mo, ang pogi nito. Ay,
그냥
nasaan na?
라인을 개척하도록.
Lahat ba sila Korean? Wait. Hindi ko naman kayo matatanong, tapos magko-comment lang kayo kasi hindi naman to live. Oh, speaking of live, we'll be doing live soon since meron tayong webcam na. But I'll be exploring this more since hindi ko pa alam paano siya mag-work. And hindi ko alam kung okay ba yung camera actually kasi wala akong setup na light. Supposedly, dapat meron. But then, tingnan nyo naman, magiging mukha ako dyan, te. Oh, sige. Diba? Okay na pala to. Diba? Parang ano dito. Patayin mo na lang. Anyway. Wait lang. Link shot members. Okay. Link shot. Long shot pala. I've been mentioning link shot. Saan galing yung link? Long shot is a 4-member South Korean boy group under More Vision. Yul, Woojin, Luis. Oh. Wait, gusto ko malaman ko lahat sila, Korean. It's long shot for show. It's long shot for show. For sure. Ooh. For sure. The name also, okay, so wala pa silang random name. Ang bilis nila magkaroon ng logo, transition Pero mas gusto ko yung current na lang yan. Ay, gusto ko yun. Each member has their own room. Okay. Oyul is... ito pala si Oyul. Okay. Korean, definitely. Age, the hell, 2006. Super bata pa. Oyul, Remedy J Park. Okay. Saka na yan. Magkaroon tayo ng yung parang, anong tawag doon? Getting to know the group Chuchunasim reacting. Ryul, Korean. Bakit parang hindi siya Korean? I love it. Oh my god, 2006 din. Be My Boys. Okay. Woojin is definitely Korean by its name. Composer, 2008. Wait. Ano? Serial ay main rapper. Oh, main rapper. Pero nakita ko sa TikTok magaling siyang kumanta. Oyul. Oh! Oyul is the leader? Para siyang bata ka. Woojin. 4 lang ba sila? Luis. Oh, okay. Si Luis yung napagkamalan ko talagang foreigner. Kasi halata naman. Pero yeah. Anyway. Okay, continue.
우리가 열심히 하면 돼.
그럼 바로 시작해볼까요? Let's go, bro. 가보시죠.
Ang pogi. Ano ba? Real ba yun? Real?
I know this song.
할 수 있어.
믹스가 내가 봤을 때 5분.
Lahat sila pogi. I love it. Yan yung clip na nakita ko sa TikTok kanina.
솔직하게?
Ay,
안 들렸어요.
야, 루야 한번 기가 막히게 하나 뽑아봐. 오케이.
Justin Bieber. Oh, I think ito yung nakita ko.
이게 너무 유명하잖아. 오케이, 이거
보이프렌드?
보이.
남자 남자친구 그럴 거.
Ito, ang pogi ni
그래도
Real.
내가 할게 남자. 오케이, 나 알겠어.
Yeah, ito ngayon. Oh my God! Ito yun sa panood ko. Ang pogi ng boses ni Real dito. I don't know why.
Let's go.
If I was your boyfriend, I never let you go. I can take it past you and never be
Yes,
before.
yes, yes,
Baby,
yes.
take a chance, you ain't never
Never.
ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to bust. Swag, swag, swag.
Yes.
Chillin' by the fire, why ain't it fondue? I know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to friends in the 3, 2, swag. I'd like to be
Oh, nakalimutan ko. Maganda rin yung boses nila talaga lahat.
girl. Let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, I would never let you go. Keep
Parang
you
mas
on my
gusto ko
own,
talaga
girl.
sila
You'll
na
never be
sa ano,
I could be a gentleman.
English. Kasi parang yung napakinggan kong
If I was your
Korean song nila.
I would never
Ewan ko nga kung Korean yun eh.
never
Mas gusto ko to.
go.
Mas bagay yung boses nila
나이스.
sa English.
좋았어. 사실 보이밴드 같은 경우는 저희 노래방 애창곡이에요, 사실.
Oh,
가보자.
that's
가보자.
why.
버튼 바로 눌러보겠습니다. 아 제발.
Wait, sorry. Guess yun, ayos ako.
오. 아 제발.
Fill in the blanks.
루이. 보여줘.
어이.
오케이.
야 이거 잘하잖아.
I know this song.
잘하잖아. 야 근데 프랑스 버전 아니다.
프랑스 버전 아니야?
미국에.
오케이.
한번 보여줘.
할 수 있지.
할 수 있어.
오케이.
할수 있어.
Yes, I love it. Ang cute din niya.
Love you, I just.
Oh my God, yung boses.
나 보여줘, 수영이.
Ay, sorry. Napipindot ko kayo. Oh my God.
Let's go. I used to think that I wasn't fine enough.
Naiilab ako sa boses nila talaga. Oh my God, ang pogi nila lahat.
Waste my time trying to figure out why you
Okay.
just decide
Feeling ko talaga, ibaba, i-add, I mean, sa stand ko sila. Oh my God, super talented. Okay, J Park, you did a very good job.
But I guess it was all just make believe. Whoa, love. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing.
Woo!
Let's go.
Diba, ang ganda ng boses nila. This is why nilagay ko yung name nila sa listahan ko na reaction. And I think, isang buong album pa paano ma-record after this. Let's go!
Success.
좋았다.
What?
다 맞았죠 이거? 괜찮았어? 좋았어. 잘했어. 확실히 이 노래는 너무 유명해서 좋았어. 가보자 루냐. 오케이.
Spin
나 한번
that
해볼게.
wheel.
Ayun. Girl losing.
가보자.
God's
가보자.
plan.
Let's go. 너희 둘이.
Eh, parang napanood ko rin yung small clip nito.
형이 처음 할래?
Kasi i-skip ko nga yung iba.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things.
Nagulat ako doon. Wait. In-expect yun. Sure ba?
Let's go. Bad things. It's a lot of bad things. That they wish and they wish and they wish
Wish
and
and
they wish and they wish and they wish. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She said,
Oh,
do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed on my mama. I'm sorry. Fit it up. I even got it.
Ang clear ng pronunciation nila. Oh my gosh.
Only love my bed on my mama. I'm sorry. Fit it up. I even got it tatted on me.
Woo! Ang
Bring the
clear.
crusher to the party.
잘하는데?
Yeah, and you know me.
Ang galing nila sa English. Love it.
Into the O3 door. When I
Oh, I love that.
okay, turn the O2 into
Yes.
the O3
Sana hindi ako maano dito.
all
Hindi ako ma-block. Kasi puro English to, te. Alam niyo naman pag English, grabe sila mag-copyright.
I can't do this on my own. Ay. Michael Douglas, let's go, yeah. I obviously said so got roll. Ay, yeah. Michael Douglas, G.O.D. Yeah.
Oo, tama naman yun ah.
Hard Southside G, yeah. Wait, yeah. I'm sure there's no side E, yeah. Wait, yeah. And still.
실패.
실패.
Oh.
아쉽다. 근데 나쁘지 않았어.
잘했어. 나빼.
오케이, 그러면 저희는 깔끔하게 인정하겠습니다.
왜?
실패.
Doon.
오케이, 누르겠습니다.
Bruno Mars. Nothing on you. Oh my gosh, gusto ko to.
그 노래.
B.O.T.
대표님이 부른 거?
대표님이 한 거.
대표님 버전도 돼요?
제이팝 버전 아니고 브루노 마스 선배님 버전. B.O.B.
믹스가 내가 봤을 때 그냥 다 섞는 거야. 모든 프로블럼. 모든 챌린지 다 섞는 거야.
이해했어.
오케이, 이건 무조건 실패.
오케이, 그러면 트라이 한번 해보자.
Let's go. Nothing.
I love his hair.
누가 할래?
내가 할게.
바로 시작이야.
Beautiful girls all over the world.
Oh my gosh, yung boses eh. Sige nga, pakinggan natin yung buong group na sila. Oh!
Nothing on you, baby. They must say hi, and they must say
Oh, I love it.
hey, but you shouldn't worry.
Nice.
Say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah, nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you. Hey, look at that. Yeah, let's go. I know you feel right coming from.
Oh!
Regardless of the same kind of things that I've done. Looks really was for the head of sun. But the right now spawn with no direction, just trying to get some. Turn the chase skirt, living into so much sun.
Oh, nice one.
I have ever done. And the street I never get some. Yeah, nonsense, it's my constant. Maybe
Oh my
I
God.
should get it out. And I don't wanna serve redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you wanna know. And never
Oh!
mind that, we should let it go.
Oh, tama
I
yun.
don't wanna get a TV episode. All that bad, just let it go. Let it go.
오케이, 나간다.
Go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could
Yes,
chase,
girl.
but my time would be wasted. I got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, baby.
Naririnig ko sa kanila talaga si Justin Bieber.
And I must say, hey, but you shouldn't worry about what
About
they say, 'cause they got nothing on you.
Oh my God, ang dami na lang stick.
Nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you.
Ako yung kinakabahan, ba't ganun?
성공한 거 아니야?
성공인가 실패인가?
성공이야. 이건 2번밖에 안 틀렸어요.
Ah, ano to?
우리가 억지로 다 성공시킨 것 같은데.
아, 이거 실력이지. 이게 우리 팀워크가
이게-
좋다는 거야.
일단 한번 좋다.
오케이, 나이스 원.
랩은 그 음절이 많잖아. 그래서 한 줄 틀리면 그냥 한 번 틀린 거야. 아 그런 거야?
그러니까 그거 포함해서 2번 틀린 거라고.
포함 두 번이야. 솔직하게?
안 틀렸어요. 솔직히 실패한 것 같아요.
죄송합니다. 솔직히 실패했습니다.
Oh.
하지만 열심히 했습니다.
다시 도전해 보도록 하겠습니다.
다음 거 잘하면 되니까. Let's go.
드럼으로.
Oh,
Long shot
mix
song.
again.
Mix.
Again.
저희 노래
Again, hindi nyo pa nakuha. Uy, wait lang. Masaspoil ako ng song nila.
우리 노래인데
God
우리가 틀리면 안
damn.
되지.
그러면 이렇게 하자. 이거를 틀린 사람은 우리 팀을 나가는 걸로.
이거 진짜 틀리면 안 되긴 해. 연습을 한 4,000번을 해가지고.
이거는 눈
Pwede tayo
감고해도
magbigay ng ilaw.
할 수 있어요.
Kasi medyo madilim na yung mukha
사신
ko sa
바로
camera.
가보겠습니다. 바로 가서.
Well, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Can we meet now? Yeah. Let me make it clear. We ain't got no time on the mirror. Everybody disappear. Sauce be in my blood. Drogon Della born to you. I got tens on tens on tens. You know that's just how. Sauce be in my blood.
Oh my God!
Sauce be in my blood. Sauce be in my blood. I got it right. Sauce be in my
Talaga?
blood. Sauce be in my blood. Yeah. Sauce be in my blood. Okay. I got tens on tens on tens for your turkey.
Oh my God.
When we did it, when we met it, cut the joke. I pretend they all my brothers really read it, cause they with me till the
Hey,
end.
guys.
More vision in the same. 우리 남쪽 I got you feeling. Which way? 내 피해는 the wicked. Got to fit run different.
Oh my God, na-spoil na ako ng song nila. Pwede ba skip to? Kasi gusto ko makita kung paano nila magiging makukuha to. Okay, good. Oh, wait lang. Sorry, nangal ko. Ayoko ma-spoil kasi I'm doing reaction video sa album nila. Ayoko pakinggan. Ayoko pakinggan. So, ano. Ayoko pakinggan. Pero gusto ko malaman kung paano nila nakukuha. So, while doing that, I'll be exploring the ilaw. Pero so far, yung isa lang naman yung naging mali nila. Oh, di ba? Success.
오케이.
Okay, na.
너 연습 진짜 많이 했네.
아
그 드랍을 치면 어떡해? 그거
아니
제일
다들
좋아하는 것인데.
알루를 계속 하니까 못 들었어.
그거 우리 탓을 하면 안 되지 그거를.
오케이 나 할 거야.
With open,
I don't like color talaga.
and open arms. Open arms, you keep me open. I'm so devoted.
Oh my gosh.
Keep me open. Open.
Ano height nila? Ang cute ng height nila.
Sweet size. I can fry, pitch, wrist, and pit. Through the arsenal, all the heat. Take a tunnel, tell her where to be. Long shots, make it feel relief. Anything that you ever need.
Teka lang. Song ulit nila to.
Wanna go.
Wala akong hindi. Ito, tingnan ko. Ah, okay.
Cause I remember
Oh, ang ganda nun.
every time. One days that feel like you and me.
좋아.
Hurricane pleasure. Do you ever
오케이.
me?
좋아
Oh my gosh. Ang ganda nung song na.
애들이.
Cause I think of you, think of you.
Oh.
오케이.
둘이 케미가 좋네. 퍼펙트.
True.
영 제너레이션.
Agree.
저희는 올 제너레이션이고
여기 올 제너레이션. 저희는 영 제너레이션.
Oh my God.
그런 식으로
Saan
나오는
tawag niyo sa akin? Sa amin? Oh.
You were
Aray.
meant for me, you meant for me, meant for me, baby, meant for me, made for me, you were meant for
Ang pogi talaga yung tulungan to.
this meant for me, this meant for me, just for me,
Oh my.
just meant for.
방금은 어셔님처럼 제가 해봤습니다. 나이스! 나이스!
It's long shot for show. Hello, we are
Diba? Tama.
long shot. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Ano?
Hello, we are long shot. Thank you so much for watching
Drop
this
shot
video.
sinabi na. Wala.
Please like and subscribe to Hello 82.
Go check out our new album, Shot Colors. Hello 82.
Wherever you are.
Nice. I love it. Up, up. Don't spoil anyone. Okay. Okay. Alright. Back tayo sa git. Oh, to. Pangit naman na. Okay. Ano pa nga ba? Hindi ako nagkamali. Sa akin niyo inad. Grabe, ang talented eh. So, I'm excited to react sa album nila. I think, inad ko na yung mga dapat i-add sa aking listahan. Wait, check natin ha. Kasi, baka mali ako. Yeah. So, inad ko na. Moonwalk, Sazen, Never Let Go, FaceTime, Backseat, Thinking, Are You Ready? Are You... may dalawa pala to. Next to You. Ayun. So, antayin nyo, everyone. Kakain lang ako, then patuloy lang tayo dito sa ating pag-react sa Long Shot. And, meron tayong ginawang bagong platform for us to bond, to communicate more. And I think pwede kayo dun mag-comment or mag-suggest din. And that is a Discord! We have finally a Discord, guys. So, if you want to recommend, suggest, and opinions, or whatever, pwede kayo mag-join sa aking Discord. And, comment, chat lang kayo doon if ano yung gusto nyo react sa akin. And, sana naman, next time, meron tayo kasamang friend. Kasi ang lungkot din mag-react. I think, pag ako talaga malulungkot, magla-live reaction tayo. Pero hindi sa YouTube since ang bilis niyang ma-block. But I'll be doing my live on Twitch siguro. Or sa Discord na rin. So, if you want to, ano ba tawag doon? Interact with me, come and join to our Discord. So, I'll be linking it down on my description below. So, see you there. And that's it for today. I'm very, very happy sa pinanood ka ngayon. That's it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to follow us on social media accounts. We have X and Instagram. Also, I'll be promoting my Instagram. But naka-private siya. But if you want to, you know, mag-followan lang tayo, ganun. Also, pwede tayo mag-chat doon kasi medyo nalulungkot na ate mo. Joke lang. And, nandito lang. Dito? I don't know. Baka dito na lang. Dito. Yan. Dyan. Pag hindi dyan, hindi naman ako mag-edit. Tilagay ko na lang somewhere dyan. So, that's it. See you next week. Bye! Next video lang pala. Bye!